Now for yet another example, we're going to use the method of isolating the square to solve a quadratic equation. We have 3x squared plus 24 is equal to 0. Now again, note that there's no x term, so what we'll do is isolate the squared terms. So we're going to have then 3x squared is equal to negative 24. It's our first step. And dividing each side by 3, we'll have x squared is equal to negative 8. Taking the square root of both sides, we have x is equal to positive and negative the square root of negative 8. Now that's radical. We can simplify a bit more. So we'll think about breaking it down inside into 4 times negative 1 times 2. So then we will have then plus or minus, and the 4 will come out in front as a 2. The square root of negative 1 then will come out as an I. Then we're left then with the square root of 2. So we could, if we again choose to write the solution separately, we would have 2i times the square root of 2, or x is equal to then negative 2i times the square root of 2. Now let me mention an error before we leave this problem that students sometimes make when writing the answer in combined form, which would be this form right here. It would not be correct to write this, 2i plus or minus the square root of 2. You want to be sure that the 2i is multiplied by the square root of 2, because when those factors are brought in front of the radical, that's an indicated product. It does not mean that the square root of 2 is added or subtracted from the 2i. So you want to be very careful not to write the answer in combined form like that.